G'day guys and girls. Today we're going to be putting Mishimoto air intake in the BRZ. Get into it.
First off, you're going to need to remove the stock air intake and the noise intake pipe that leads back into the cabin. Have fun. Now it's where the real fun begins. Time to start installing the aftermarket Mishimoto air intake. This intake from Mishimoto is a direct bolt-on plug and play, no engine lights with the air intake.
Before we can start the car, I need to plug this hole before we forget about it. It's essentially just where you get sound from the engine bay pumped into the cabin, make things sound better. So we're going to take the plug that was provided by Mishimoto, usually just stick over the one in the engine bay, and we're going to make a little fix for that. Let's go. Use my handy dandy redneck scissors, my pocket knife, to cut down the tube, just around the top of it. Quite rough. I'm going to use good old Allen key and jam that in the hole. And there we go. A nice seal. OEM box. Now let's start the car. See what the intake sounds like. Mr. Oscar just chilling beside the BRZ, Mr. Shed Dog himself. Well, while we were putting the air intake in from Mishimoto, we had a little surprise. Ta-da!